Good morning all, honorable principal, worthy teachers, my dear students, happy Independence Day to all of you today. Respected sir, as we all know, we are gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our beloved India. As we know that India gained independence on 15th of August 1947 at midnight. Our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, gave a beautifully worded speech starting with the words, "At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom." Today we take special pride in saluting our beloved tricolour. Let us recall with pride the great sacrifice of our freedom fighters, whose undying love for India secured us our freedom. On this happy occasion, join me in saluting the hard work of all our citizens who have, over these 7 years, built a new India. Let us bow our head in memory of all those brave Jawans and all our brave citizens who have sacrificed their lives for the cause of our unity, integrity and progress. Few lines for speech. An India in which the creativity and enterprise of every citizen can find its full and free expression. An India that is united despite its many diversities. An India that is not divided by caste, creed or gender. It is a land of diversity where people of different caste, creed, religion, culture, and belief live together. India is a country where there is unity in diversity. India gained independence on August 15, 1947. After independence, in our nation, we acquired all our fundamental rights. We should all be proud to be an Indian, and we should admire our fortune to have been born in the land of independent India. People celebrate Independence Day by hoisting the national flag and reciting the national anthem. From 1857 to 1947, the lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle were sacrificed. For the independence of India, an Indian soldier, Mangal Pandey, in the British force first raised his voice against the British. Several great freedom fighters later struggled and spent their entire lives only to gain freedom. The sacrifices of all the freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, and Chandrasekhar Azad, who lost their lives at an early age just to fight for their country, can never be forgotten. Let us all come together and work resolutely for the welfare of our people and for the development of our nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.